Hey parents, I'm Natalie Walters. I'm an educational assistant working with children with different needs, different backgrounds, and different ways of moving through our world. And what I constantly see is children who have big feelings and struggle to express them. And while some may have been given tools, what they really need is something simple, something they can remember without being reminded. Now, they're going to carry this with them from childhood into teenage years and into adulthood. Something so accessible that they can use it everywhere, in the classroom, on the playground, at home, and in the middle of a hard moment when no one is around. That was me once. I was that kid. I felt everything. I had nothing I could hold on to. So I built something. I built Reset for the Kids, a social emotional learning brand designed for kids ages 5 to 11, a 5-step framework called the Reset Code, built around 7 characters that children can see themselves in, a belief that every child deserves to be seen, heard, and equipped. I also built a character. Her name is Miss Walters. She is the Reset Guide. She's the one I needed when I was growing up. She's warm, she's real, and she doesn't talk down to children. She meets them exactly where they are. Now today, I'm sitting down with Miss Walters herself, and I have some questions for her. This is Reset for the Kids. Let's get into it. Welcome, Miss Walters.
Hello, thanks for having me.
Miss Walters, for anyone meeting you for the first time, who are you and what do you do?
I'm Miss Walters, the Reset Guide. I help children express themselves, become aware of their emotions, learn how to regulate them, and gain skills for a lifetime. Not changing who they are, recognizing that there are big feelings. We offer simple tools, and it's for every child.
Why did you create the Reset Code, and where did it come from?
Need a simple process they can remember on their own, without someone telling them every time. As a mom, an educator, and someone lived through childhood experiences that led to hard consequences, I decided I need to be the support for the next generation.
What is one thing you wish more adults understood about children and their emotions?
Emotions are linked to identity, and we are not here to change who a child is or how they feel ever. It's about self-awareness, understanding that your feelings are valid, and that your actions have consequences. When a child can hold both of these things at the same time, that's when they can slow down, process, and make an informed decision. We are equipping. And that your actions have consequences. When a child can hold both of these things at the same time, that's when they can slow down, process, and make an informed decision. We are equipping them.
Break it down for us. What is the Reset Code?
R is for respect for yourself first, and remember that respecting others is just as valuable. E is for express. Awareness that their voice, their words, and their actions have both positive and negative consequences. S is for stop and breathe. This is the moment where a child can take control for themselves before the situation occurs or before it gets out of control. That pause changes everything. E is for explore. In moments of reflection, your child can think through other possible ways of what they're feeling and how to handle it, whether they change the course or they stand firm on their decision. This is where accountability lives. T is for try again. Mistakes happen. Second chances present themselves. This is the opportunity to not stay stuck in a moment, stuck in regret. We believe in second chances.
What happens when a child tries the Reset Code and it doesn't work in that moment?
That's okay. There's a learning curve, and processing takes time. What matters is that they are encouraged, reminded, and held accountable through the journey. This is not a quick fix. It is a lifetime skill that gets challenged with every different situation and also every stage of development. But when it's used consistently, change will come.
Now that was Miss Walter. And that is Reset for the Kids. If something she said to you today landed, share this. Send it to a parent. Send it to a teacher. Send it to anyone that has a child in their life that they want to see thrive. Go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Reset for the Kids. This is where new episodes drop every week and where your child can learn alongside the crew. And you can also find us on TikTok and Instagram at Reset for the Kids. You can also grab our worksheets at www.resetforthekids.com. And we'll see you there. Thank you for being here. And remember,